Triathalon Owen Sound.
Anyways, you'll see that there is an intersection in Anna that you need to be at. You can be prepared for.
He's gonna grab my
Hey Erin, listen, come here. First you swim, right?
Yeah.
Then you ride.
Then I bike, yeah.
Then you run, right?
I run, yeah.
So from here you set up for the swim.
Yeah, there's the swimming area is just over here. If you want me to show
take
you.
off, yeah, in a minute. You take off and come back, right?
Yeah, we come back.
Run in through this gate.
Run in through
Where's
here.
your bike?
My bike's right there, the yellow one on the end.
That yellow one on the end over there?
Then I bike out of there.
All
I
right.
come back through this course.
Okay.
Then I run out that one.
All right.
So I'm in, out, in,
All right,
out.
so I can get you on all points, right?
Yeah.
Are you going to be quick? How fast are you going to be?
An hour and a half.
What are you going to do? Are you going to be number one or what? Look at that belly, there's nothing on it. Let's see the legs.
Muscles.
I heard something about legs.
The legs, later,
Yeah, they're good
later.
too.
No,
Are they good legs or what? Yeah, you look beautiful, honey.
Okay, I'm going to grab my camera for Dad.
All right.
And then I'll show you guys what this is.
Okay. It's all right, huh, Donnie? What do you think?
I think it's pretty good.
Pretty good. She's gonna win.
Yeah, that was helpful.
Can you put money on her or what? Where's the betting office?
Are you all ready?
We can set one up real good.
There you go.
Right,
You got 2 to 1 on 559.
Okay, waving your, take your cap off and waving it is a sign that you need a lifeguard immediately.
All out.
Yeah, it's the last thing you're going to be able to do. Yeah.
On that one?
1,500 to finish if I can do that.
On that one? On that one and back over there.
To start for the red caps, 2.5 minutes. Good luck, everybody.
That's okay, a few minutes.
Second wave, we have 3 minutes.
She's on that. Okay, so after the start, can I leave that day?
So you start, Brad? Yeah. See ya?
Come on, Erin.
It'll take about around the second.
Yeah, I think at whatever time you want to stop.
I thought that was the
Yeah, because he's only like, he'll be under 50. Yeah.
We need to watch him for that.
Yeah, maybe to the red buoy. And once he gets to the red buoy,
I would think. Unless they change the course, yeah.
Got it coming now. Five, 5, 6. That's her. Erin, come on, Erin! God!
I know.
See it?
Yeah, I got her.
You good there now?
Yeah, she's gone. Come on, Erin! Let's go, Erin! Move that money maker! There's another another one in front of her.
Getting ready to come across the line. You might want to pick up the pace a bit. You got someone coming on your heels.
There you go.
Race number 915. Peter Volks from Caledon.
You ready?
And that's held by Henry Nicholas Toronto. We got race number 918 coming across the line now. We're going to have another 50 or 60 people here tomorrow, so help them out, thank them as you go through the course. Number 556 is Aaron Scott from Collingwood. Number 464, he's got the hands up. Mark Cousins out of St. Thomas. And I can't see your number and tell you how good they did a job today, you did. Talk to Mark Avery here today. Those are a couple of people that are in the Owen Sound of the Great Ridge Triathlon Club. Here's another body coming through from the Georgian Bay Triathlon Club. Linda McFall out of Hepburn. Look at those flashy suits. Now sponsored by Runners Den and Home Life Bayside Realty. Karen Obrafka from Guelph, Ontario. And also Blankface is a big sponsor of the Georgian Bay Triathlon Club.
Look at my results online. But I had a bad swim today, unfortunately. But
What?
I had a bad swim today due to waves.
Oh.
But I made up for it in the bike. So I finished at 1:39. 1 hour and 39 minutes.
35 something. Honey.
Pardon?
It was 35.
1 hour 35?
Something like that. I filmed it. We were running through and I got the above time.
Alright, well that
so we
sounds
can check
better.
that. I could get that. I got that verified on here. So.
Number 617.
Well, that sounds better to me than 139. That's relative to what I was doing before.
903 comes through there is Kathy
Cleaning up
from
these
Owen
stations.
Sound. How'd it go, Kathy?
Alright, but that's a nice bike, no?
It's not bad, eh? It's Mexican or something.
Yeah.
Mexican province. So I've heard. Hey Grace, did you enjoy the triathlon?
Yeah, it was fun.
you?
Okay, we'll catch you later, honey.
You will. I'll see you in a week.
Yeah, you
I'll be
bring the
back.
laptop up and put everything on
Yeah,
there.
we'll get